OmniBrain claims to be the world's first AI SuperClone, a one-stop AI suite that can create videos, images, music, voiceovers, and websites, write copy, generate code, and even analyze data, all inside one dashboard without monthly fees. It positions itself as an all-in-one replacement for tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, MidJourney, Synthesia, Grammarly, and Copilot, with the power to let you own your own AI instead of renting it. Sounds revolutionary, right? But let's go deeper. So, what OmniBrain really is? Once you get inside the app, you'll find a basic AI workspace with multiple tabs for writing, TTS, text-to-speech, image and video generation, and more. Each feature connects to different AI APIs or models under the hood, mostly old or free-tier GPTs. It's not a new SuperClone AI as marketed. Instead, it's a collection of multiple small AI modules bundled together in one dashboard at just a cost of $17. So yes, it's convenient, but don't expect cutting-edge creativity or advanced results. What you can do with it. If you're a solopreneur or side hustler who's exploring AI for business or side income, OmniBrain can still help, but only if you use it wisely. Here's how you can make money or build a business with it. Create and sell content packages. Use it to generate blog posts, captions, or short ad copy for local clients or solopreneurs. Just make sure you refine the outputs. They're often generic. Offer AI-based services. Use AI video creation or AI voiceover gigs on Fiverr using OmniBrain's built-in tools. Build faceless YouTube or Instagram pages. Combine AI visuals, stock voices, and music from OmniBrain to produce simple reels or shorts. Sell AI tools access, but cautiously. The commercial license lets you resell access or rent your OmniBrain dashboard, but be careful, it's not a white-label SaaS, so manage expectations with clients. Overall, it's okay for entry-level automation, not for professionals who already use better standalone tools. Now, let me show you the both sides of this coin. I'll tell you all of its cons. But first, let's start with some positive sides. The biggest advantage of OmniBrain is convenience. You get everything from writing, design, text-to-speech, coding, even video creation, all packed inside a single dashboard. For someone like Ratchet, who's tired of juggling 5 different tools just to complete one project, this all-in-one setup does save time and energy. Another plus point is its pricing. There are no monthly fees, which is a relief compared to paying recurring charges for tools like ChatGPT Plus or Jasper. You make a one-time payment and you're set, ideal for beginners or solopreneurs who just want to explore AI without draining their budget every month. Now let's do the reality check. The first thing that hits you after logging into OmniBrain is how outdated its AI models feel. The outputs are pretty average, short, predictable, and lacking the sharpness you'd expect from modern tools like GPT-4 or Claude. It's like using a generic medicine version of AI. It works, but it won't cure your creative headaches. You can instantly tell the system runs on either free or older GPT APIs, which means the results are decent for basic content, but not impressive enough for client-grade work. Then comes the interface, which looks and feels too simple. Now, simple isn't always bad, but in this case it feels unfinished. You'll notice that the makers probably invested way more in their sales page design than in the actual product interface. It's not buggy, but it doesn't inspire confidence either. A product claiming to replace ChatGPT and MidJourney should at least feel premium. OmniBrain doesn't. The biggest disappointment, however, is in the output quality. The content it produces, text, images, even voiceovers, often feels repetitive and lacks personality. You can generate similar or even better results using free tools like Poe, Canva Magic Write, or Google Gemini. So while it does deliver something, it rarely delivers wow. And let's address the elephant in the room, the marketing claims. The product is pitched as a SuperClone that swallows ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Jasper, which sounds amazing on paper, but in reality, it's just a bundle of existing AI modules stitched together with a nice dashboard. It's not a next-gen breakthrough. It's a repackaged combo of basic tools presented with a killer sales video. So, while OmniBrain shines in presentation, it fades in performance. It's not a scam, but it's certainly not the SuperClone revolution it markets itself as. In short, don't get fooled by the shiny packaging. OmniBrain is a decent all-in-one AI starter kit, but not a revolutionary superclone.